Motorcycle accidents are particularly emotional accidents because the injuries can be so severe. An accident that might be a normal fender bender in the context of two automobiles can be fatal or catastrophic when a motorcycle is involved. So I feel like it's important to help a client involved in a motorcycle accident understand that their accident and their injuries may be more severe than what they anticipated, and that they definitely need representation to make sure that the value of their injuries is not lost.